Here is how to get from Undercity to Silvermoon in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WOW WOTLK. So the Undercity is the capital of the undead and the Silvermoon is the capital of the blood elves, and I'll show you how to get there. So you will have to get right here at this elevator. If you will find this general goods store at the left, it means you have to get through this entrance. Now turn right and here will arrive an elevator. Okay, I didn't catch that. Let's wait for the next one. It closed in front of my face. All right, so get on this elevator because now we can ascend, so we can exit the Undercity and not through the cave but through the official entrance. So at this crypt, turn right at this entrance, now left. This is the throne. Now get forward and now forward as well. Now turn left, now right, and that's how to exit Undercity. Now we don't have to get through that entrance because that's the exit of Undercity. Instead we want to turn left right here, climb these stairs because here we can locate an orb, so we can teleport straight to Silvermoon City. This is the orb, and all you have to do now, right click on this orb, and now you will teleport yourself straight to Silvermoon. And I will show you now the location on the map. We are located in Silvermoon, right here in Eversong Woods. So that's how to teleport from Undercity to Silvermoon City in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King. I hope this helped you out and thanks a lot for watching.